Go ahead.
So we're going to show you how to turn the sound system on step by step. So we're going to start over here with the power switch. Flick that on. Now the sound system components we're going to switch on in order. They're numbered number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to turn on that order. The power switch for the soundboard is right back here, behind the number 1. You flip that on. And then we go over here, number 2, on, 3 is this button right here. 4 is the same thing, now that's on. So now the sound system is on and running. Now we need to turn on the computer. So we're going to go down, lift this up. The computer is on this little drawer here. Slide this out. And if you can get back here, the power button is on the back side of the computer, right back here.
Okay.
Here. So we kind of push that on. And then come over here to the monitor and flick this on also. And you're in business.
Program.
Right. So every once in a while, there's a need for the sound person to adjust some volume settings, which are done with these sliders right here. And we're only dealing with the first 4 channels, although the first channel does not work. So we're going to look at 2, 3, and 4. They're clearly numbered here at the top. You can see right by these buttons above the red light, it has the channel number. And then down here, it's labeled. So there's the podium wireless mic, which is the microphone that the presider will be using. The lavalier mic, which is, when it works, is what Michelle will be using. And then the other handheld wireless, sometimes we use in group events. So to change the volume, you're just going to move this slider right here, up or down. Down is quieter, up is louder. So every once in a while, Michelle will kind of give you the sign to boost up the volume a little bit, in which case you would just slide the slider up. One other thing you want to be careful of is under the track number, it says mute. If this button right here is pressed down and the red light is on, that means that this channel is muted. So if that happens, you would then just press the button again, the light goes off, and the track is open.
And if the lavalier mic is working and Michelle is using it, we have to turn it on when she gets up to talk and turn it off when she sits back down. Correct. Or is trying to sing.
Correct. Yeah. And in that case, then you would just press the mute button and mute her track, and we have it rigged so it's not going to come out of any of the speakers at this point. So aside from the sliders, the only other thing we want to be careful of is this knob here. It's labeled CD playback. This is if we ever need to play a CD through the computer and we want it to come out in the house speakers. This controls that volume. So whenever we're recording, we want this to be all the way down. So this is up, and that's about comfortable level of volume. We're going to turn this so the little notch here is pointing all the way down to the left. And that will turn the sound off from anything coming back out into the house speakers.